She works with the Mint Foundation, and she's in helping out with providing clothes for all the needy people. Kiasha, how long have you been doing this?
11 years.
11 years, wonderful. So what are we doing today? Tell me about it.
We're sorting clothes that were donated. And so we have to put them in order by infants, children, boys and girls, and then adults, men and women. And so we have sleepwear, underwear, socks, t-shirts, undershirts, swimwear, shorts, as well as pants and dresses.
Okay, that's wonderful. Where do you get the clothes from?
They were donated from organizations like Walmart. And so we get them from different organizations like Walmart, like main department stores.
Ah, that's wonderful. So how many people are we expecting to provide clothes to? 2,000 people. Wow! And the Mint Foundation is going to provide the 2,000 people?
Yes.
How do you guys manage to capture so many people to come and provide clothes to?
I just the community, so helping out the community, and they've been known throughout the community.
Oh, that is wonderful. And Mint Foundation's been doing this for how many years now? Over 12 years. So you're one of the OGs.
Yes.
All right. Kiasha, one last question.
Yes.
What drives you to do something like this?
Just helping out the community.
Give me a hug. All right. Thank you so much.